Many organizations find the standard Salesforce approval process sufficient for their day-to-day operations. This streamlined system effectively manages a wide range of common approval scenarios. However, certain businesses require a more customizable approach to approvals. Recognizing this need, Salesforce has introduced Advanced Approvals, a powerful tool that elevates the standard approval workflow to new heights. For individual approvers, users simply needed to create a record on Approver object, select the user field and input the desired user's name into the search bar. The system would then automatically populate the record with the corresponding user details. Approval chains are defined as a series of sequential approvals. They provide a structured framework for decision-making in situations requiring multiple levels of authorization. Let's set up an approval rule. In the Related tab, find Approval Rules and click New, then fill an approval name and select Active. Then select Approver from the drop list. Fill in approval step and conditions met, and then click Save. Next step is to configure the condition. Click on the rule name, click Related tab, find Approval Conditions and click New. Select Tested field from the drop list. Then do the same with Operator and Filter type drop lists. Set filter value and click Save. Now, let's see the result. That doesn't mean, though, that standard approvals should be forgotten. They are best suited for straightforward, less dynamic approval workflows. Advanced approvals are designed for complex, conditional, and highly configurable approval scenarios, often required by larger organizations or those in regulated industries with specialized approval requirements. They make approval processes more manageable, efficient, and transparent.